In this final tutorial, I want to show you how to customize your table so that you can do things like add due date and you can add book covers. I have in the description for this video and also on the website, if you go to How To Tutorials and Customizing the Catalog, I have a list of relevant links here. The first one goes to the Spreadsheet template for displaying due dates and book images. And here you'll see how I set it up so that I can display book covers and due dates. If you want to display something on the public side that's not searchable like due date or book cover, in the back end you want to create a column, give it a name, and then you're going to write no filter. If it's a due date, all you have to do is type in the date and make sure that you highlight this column and that you change the format and to number and that date is selected. All right, and that way it shows up as a date where you have a month, day, and year. You can copy the code here that I have listed so that you can display book images. You'll notice with this example here, there is a code, and within the code there is a link to an image. It starts with HTTP and it ends with JPEG, and it's within quotation marks. What you'll need to do is, if you want to catalog books, usually you can do a Google image search for a book cover, and what you'll have to do is you'll upload images here. So let me give you an example. Let's say I'm adding a copy of Isabel Allende's The House of the Spirits. I'm going to type in the title of the book. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code. I clicked on this cell and I hovered over the bottom right hand corner, and I'm just going to drag it down, and this copies the code. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a search for a book cover, and I'm going to replace this hyperlink with the link to that image. I did a Google search here. I searched for The House of the Spirits and then clicked on images, and then I see a book cover here. I'm clicking on it, and instead of left clicking on it and opening up the website, I'm going to right click on it and click on Open Image in New Tab. And what that does is that gives me a direct link to the image itself, and I know it's direct link again because it ends with .jpeg. I'm going to copy this URL to the image, then I'm going back to the catalog. I'm going to highlight everything that's within the quotation marks, and I'm going to replace it with the image of the book cover for House of the Spirits. Now I'm going to press share and go to the catalog, and you'll see that the book cover is listed here. There are other things that you can add. If you need to upload images, let's say you want to add artwork to your collection, or you have maps, it may be helpful to create a thumbnail image of it so that you can share it with patrons. There are sites that you can use, and under the relevant links I have a link to postimage.org. This is a very easy to use website, and you can upload images and it gives you a direct link. You would upload a small image, you can resize them from here, or you can resize them before you upload them. It gives you the link that goes to the image itself, and then you would just go back and you would click on the cell for the book cover, and you would replace what's here. Under the links, I also show you a link to the Awesome Table community. The Awesome Table community is people who use Awesome Table for a number of purposes. There's a tips and tricks section. There's a need advice section. So if you have questions about how to use it, you can ask the community. You can also share things that you find by using Awesome Table. Also, under the links, there are templates for Awesome Table spreadsheets. These are users who have created templates for various purposes. So for example, there is an online bookstore with filters. If you want to use that or any one of these spreadsheets, or if you just want to find out more information, you click on the title and then you will click on use this template, and it creates a copy of the spreadsheet and the code that's used, because this is not just awesome table, but it's awesome table with some HTML and CSS styling. So kind of like the styling that's used to style websites. So those are examples there, and that's listed under relevant links. So that concludes this tutorial. So I hope that you will use this information to go a step further, to be able to customize and enhance your use of awesome tables. And I wish you the best of luck in creating your own library catalog. Thanks for watching.